On the 27th day, 8th month, 2023. Boy, did you guys get sprayed like bugs over here. Look at this outside Adelaide area to the west of Melbourne in north. Look at the sickness mix here that's been deployed in your skies. That ain't healthy. Big sea of EMF down here with lots of those what we get used to these chembam formations in here, nucleating condensates and propagating the waveforms of electromagnetic frequency, or if it's weather warfare, it's directed energy weapon basically being deployed. Look at that one right here. Bomb, 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 bomb. Cambity, bomb, 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 bomb. You have been sprayed like bugs. So I'm gonna do the quickest part of this to get this over with, because I'll give you about 3 days worth of your existence here, but from the weather people there of what they say is going to happen, and I'm going to move onward. I'm playing no games today. And give you a weather update. Show you what geoengineerings are in your skies going on right now. Today, as we go through Monday, not much going on there, huh? Yeah, not much. Until you get to the old coast road where the you can't take no more. Hey, there's a bit of wetness is coming your way here. Some of the totals in this quarter here are going to get high on the tens. You got two events coming that of significance, and one of them is going to be a large lightning display starting in the trough and moving toward the west here in the coming week. As you see right here, if I turned the lightning on its particles, it would just be more dramatic. Right, that one there. See, we've got all these lines. Its bandwidth problem is making my upload from here to the internet as slow. It flies in here. Nothing wrong with my computer, so I apologize if you're not satisfied with the quality of my videos. But it is what it is. As we head in towards the beginning of the month, you can see as the tropical air has been mixed into this system out here, which is going to be kind of rotating. See, kind of low. But this is kind of what it looked like last night. So I say it's kind of boring as we're getting into the days here where you're going to get a good smack. And it's looking like some of the totals that are going to hit the Auckland are going to be high, significant enough in a short period of time for there to be some flash flooding for Auckland coming up. And yeah, it's a concern. As these tendrils are going to be worked across the top here, and with that system coming through here, I think those totals are too low. You're easy going to get 5 to 6 centimeters through here in quick time. Well, they're actually showing that now. I had a graph earlier that showed 8, as the main tendril still is up here offshore on the 10s. So you could be expecting some action in the Auckland area, and that's going to be flash floody stuff when it comes through. And so we'll be watching for that. Right? When exactly is that going to happen? What did I just show you? What did I show you? At the end of the text. There's your smack date. Whammo. And it's a sustained event. Yeah, not good at all for New Zealand, The geoengineers and BARMs never seem to fizzle out. See them all? This is a sustained event as it strips the moisture from this tendril here. And it's a heavy packet. It's packing a wallop. A lot of water there, folks, to be moved around towards you guys. So Auckland looks like you can get a bit of a wash there. A little bit more than just moist. And at the end of the tens, we're so exciting. This is here from Bridge and Maroochydore. And their totals here are going to get kind of high as well. Some of the accumulations that I was seeing on the tens were not pleasant to be viewing. One of them says you get nothing. I think you're getting something along the coast road, along 5-6 centimeters is going to come. Fairly short time. One swells the streams, one kills the dreams, man. Don't let them kill the dreams that are yours. Only you could do that. And well, When I look at my world today and on the worldview, it was nothing short of a crime scene. I don't know when I something else I was watching. You know, I can go right here and show you the chem and that streamed across your nation today, Australia, and the bombs that were deployed over in Cook Strait to hold the flow off is very evident. See these streamers here? That ain't healthy stuff. That's not natural cloud. That's disgusting to see. You got a number 30 or something over here, and this guy's a big 6. Loops over here. Dot, 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 dot. Boom, 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 plum, and you guys get sprayed, man. On and on and on. On and on and on and on and on and on and on. Anonymously, even. Like bugs. They sprayed the turf, they sprayed the mountains, they sprayed the sea. Yes, they sprayed till our blue skies went away to doom. Look at the state of your gardens. Look at your trees. If tomato skins got any tougher, you're going to need a jackhammer to eat them. See the squiggles here like a swastika? Chem bombs suck. Boom, 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 plum, plum, boom, boom, plum, and you, Mr. Chem Man, give me a break. Mother Nature is not for us to rape. And what's up with these land taxes I'm seeing? Over in Canada. Yeah, sorry, the indigenous thing that nobody owned the land and making me have a I'm on your land tax thing. It sounds about as against what the Great Mother would want as possible. Look at this plume. Should be going that way. Poof, poof, just jettisoning stuff into the atmosphere. It's gonna fall out. Stuff's gonna fall down. What goes up must come down. And people that think they live too high up need to be brought down. The streamer of crap from here is going all the way over these islands here into Bribey over here, Caboolture, up here to my whales over here in Harvey Bay itself, jettisoning payloads. That's not a factory under there releasing a smokestack. It's man. Pow, pow, pow. I mean, it's not naturally occurring cloud formations, those. Absolutely not. The waveforms going over the country, it's not as disgusting as it usually is. If I go over here to the low deck over here, look at this over here at the nose of the Kiwi here. He's snorting this big line of shit in the sky. There's one line that's more condensated than the rest, and things are fizzing to the east and the west of it. Beam much? Just follow that straight line right out to sea. You got a beam. Beam, 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 beam. I need a shot of Jim Beam sometimes to deal with this, but it's detrimental to it. Having a good stomach. Look at that right here, out in the Bay of Plentycab. Look at that there. What in the hell is that? Looked like Lucille's mustache. Poor Lucille. Boom. Boom. Ba-boom. Boom. 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 Plumbing yo. Look at that crap. Schwab sticker much, Schwab? The Schwab sticker in the sky? You guys buying his bullshit just because he knew how to make money, doesn't know. And those kind of people don't always have the most scrupulous values. Look at these over here. Out to sea. I'm going backwards in time, 10-minute jumps. And you're getting jumped every minute of the day. What the hell kind of cloud was that? Over my Winua. If you don't love the land, you can expect the land to love you back. Boomings and plumings, earthquakes shaking the volcano region over here, which is not good, and they ain't been smalls. What a shame, big squares there. Look off the coast of Christchurch here. What is this? With double horns in it. Drops of mercury in the air. There was the compass and square. Do they have a meeting going on? Who knows that step? See it right there? See it? See it, see it, see it, see it, say it. Say it loud. No more, no more. I am not the system's whore. Say it. Look at this crap. The USA is in for a very rough time, Zay. Looks like that storm's going to skirt to the east of the North Carolina mountains, and it's going to devastate the I-85, I-95 corridor of interstate roads that go across the mountains and down towards the sides of Atlanta and toward Texas. There's a big split in the highway there just past Charlotte, North Carolina. Look at the double horns on this. Not natural, man. Not natural. This is devilish skies. Diabolical leaders that have a nerve to go into a Catholic church and then they go and do other things in the basements of their houses. Their adrenochrome, child molestation, enslaving ashes are coming for your house. And they don't give a shit. They're just going to look across the dinner table and say, I got more than you to another guy that has more than all of us put together. And they're not sharing. They just act like it. You see a guy give $1 million, you go, yay, that make him a hero? Yeah, he made billions off toxifying you to get that million to give you. Look at the horns here of this stag. It ain't cumulus clouds. This is geoengineering, toxifying the land, toxifying the soils and the waters of my world, defoliating the land, and causing malaise and dissing our ease. And we need to ease our ease any way we can. And going in the forest was one of my favorite. And as I go in the forest now, they're going quiet. I'm not hearing the birds I used to. And it saddens me greatly. And the ass cloud over the Great Barrier Reef here, that ain't a peace sign. That's a sign of war in Norse runes. My God, look, we're asking them to do this with the Paris Agreement. You're asking to do this. And when it's openly admitted, I fear what it's going to look like then. We'll all have to have masks and gas mask kinds to prevent the acid from burning our lungs out. Or is that already going on? Is every burn you got on your body a sunburn on a cloudy day? Or is it possible you're getting a chemical burn? Look at this off the Pert corner down here, as I call this. Big square here with bunches of crap. Streamer enough. Just let that run till the dots run out. The Grand Rising. That's just another bullshit they sell you that you need somebody else to do this. They got woke people need to get the fuck out of bed. Are you an activist or an activist? I don't like the general sayings. I sometimes hear pure-bloodednesses and original occupiers of land. Nobody owned this land. It shouldn't even have this in it. It shouldn't even have that. That should be great. Right? This is our world. This is us. Do you care less about it? Or do you care more when I do this? Do you care more about it then? Well, I don't see that when I'm flying. All I see is this. And I see animals in my mind under here not having a very good time. I see floods racing across the lands and washing pesticides out into my oceans over here. It's this very vague outline of your land is all that's left to be seen. Because they sprayed you like fucking bugs. And from space, yay, there you are. Do you care more now that you see the shape is yours? That it's your backyard? Well, look what they're doing. They're shitting in your yard. It was bad. Very, very bad. And this is where I started the show. I started here at this patch of shit. Right here. They're whoring our mother. And I say no more, no more. I am not the system's whore. That's all I can take today. Big love, peace.